Welcome dear friends. Nowadays computer screen and mobile screen are at their maximum use. Especially students and those who are working in office on computer are compelled to watch the screen for longer hours and they are unaware how much it damages your eyesight and how much it put pressure on your nerves. So in today's video, we will turn the screen into dark background and we will bring it back to the white background. So in case if you are not used to a dark background, so you may not face any difficulty in bring it back to white background. However, I suggest you to use dark background to reduce pressure on your eyes. Watch it on the screen how we will do it. Now computer is open, we will check YouTube and Google both in white and dark background. You can see that both Google and YouTube are on white background. Remember, dark background also increase the battery life as well as it gives you longer time and reduce pressure on the eyes. Come to this point and click it, appearance themes, and now select dark theme. Now the YouTube is darken or dark mode, but still Google is under white background. Let's bring the YouTube back to the white background. Click it, click the sign of the picture, appearance dark, and use theme, device theme or light theme. Now it's back to the white background. Now we will turn each and everything to a dark background in window 11. Click window, go to setting, click personalization, click color, open the arrow and select dark. Now each and everything is darkened. It will give you longer battery time and your battery life will also be increased as well. It will give you long time for use of computer. So right click, refresh or close and then open. YouTube is dark. And now let's go to Google. Right click, reload. It doesn't happen, so click it and now again reload or close and reload. Now both are completely dark. Each and everything in window is dark. Now let's bring the window back to the white background. Go to Windows, click Setting, Personalization, and then Colors. Now again click this and Light. Select Light. Now the windows are again in bright mode. I strongly suggest you to use dark mode, make habitual with it. It will give you a lot of benefit and I'm used to do this dark mode because it reduces pressure on my eyes. I strongly request you to share my video to benefit others. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.